guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. Also, you could tell my voice is so irritated and I've had pneumonia for the past like 2.5 weeks, so I'm so sorry. But the ingredients guys when you make this slime recipe today is dish soap. I'm using this palm olive one. Is that how you say it? I always forget how to say this. You also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. I'm just using a spoon. So as I was saying, you're first going to get out your bowl or your plate and you're going to start adding in your dish soap. As much dish soap as you add into the bowl or plate is how much slime you will make. So I'm going to add about that much into there. And I love the color of this soap as well. It's so pretty. And all you got to do is just got to mix it up. This is a 1 ingredient no glue slime recipe, which is really awesome. So I'm just going to get mixing this all up. So it looks about good now. It's all bubbly and great. And now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to mix it up and see how it's doing. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, it's been about 2 to 3 hours and let's see how it's looking. Also, I did add food coloring in here. I just wanted to say that so I don't get comments saying I added stuff to this or anything. And here it is. And I don't know why I edited like that, but I guess it did. Also, I'm doing a voiceover if you can't tell. And this turned out awesome. I know that this dish soap slime recipe works amazing with Dawn, but palm olive, the one I use, this one worked actually a lot better for some reason. It's a little bit stickier, so maybe I should have left it in a bit longer, but not really better, but I think they're both very equally good dish soap slime recipes. And it's just 1 ingredient, which is so awesome. And look at this, and I love the color, by the way. It does make your hands a little bit sticky and has a residue on it, which you know it's because it's soap, so it's really fine. But this turned out awesome, and I really think you guys should try this out. It has great bubble pops, and like you can poke it really good. Yeah, but here it is. But this is a super awesome recipe, and I really hope you guys try it out. And if you do, put it in the comments down below. And if it works for you, that's great. And if it doesn't, I'm going to try to comment back to as many people as I can to try to help with this recipe. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. And remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace. And remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. Bye!